Here I go with Ankush. So we are going for a morning run. So this time is in Kullu, Bijli Mahadev. So this is the way to Bijli Mahadev, and we are almost there. It's like just 10 minutes we have left with the trail. So from there we will start for like it's for 3 kilometers, and then we will reach Bijli Mahadev. So stay tuned and let's go forward. Some local people.
Slippers on
the road. So in the middle of the village. So it's the top. So now it's just 1 or 2 kilometers. You can see the and we Katal Sahab and with Harry Kohli. He looks like Virat Kohli, so he's Harry Kohli. Our Kullu's Kohli. Excited for the run?
रन तो नहीं हो पाएगा ना
क्यों?
स्टीप है
हाँ मतलब चल जितना भी हम फास्ट चल सकते हैं मैं तो कोशिश करूँगी क्योंकि सारा अपहिल है 3 किलोमीटर का ये बन जाता होगा प्लेन का 5 कोई है ना डबल हाइट कुछ बहुत है नहीं So this is the point from where you have to start the trail to Bijli Mahadev. So we will start running from this point, and this point is called, I guess, Gobha. It's Gobha. So down there is Kullu. You can see the Dhalpur ground. And this is beautiful Kullu. So it is quite exciting because we are having Virat Kohli with us. RCC. क्या है इसका पूरा नाम? RCC? RCB. So this is Virat Kohli from Kullu. जिनका नाम है Harry Kohli. So today we are going to have a run with Harry Kohli and with Ankush Katoch. And this is our car. So let's go ahead. So let's start.
एक ही तो रास्ता है
आगे से बनाएंगे अपनी वीडियो हमारा अंकित भाई मेरा है रनिंग करते
नहीं इतना तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी रन पर थोड़ा जितना बन पाता है So I will try my best to keep the pace, but this is totally uphill, so I will just walk. They are running so fast. It's not easy, guys. या बिजली महादेव ले जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी
ऊपर जाते और भी हैं, इतने ही हैं?
ऊपर और नहीं
अच्छा, हेलो भेडूज, से हेलो भेडूज. These भेडूज will not talk. कटोच साहब लंबी लंबी सांस लेते हैं और कुली साहब ये भी फिट और हिट है. तो इनकी नज़रिए से दुनिया को देखो. It looks so serene and beautiful. So हमारे बहुत किस्मत है कि हम विराट कोहली के साथ ट्रैक पे रनिंग पे आए हैं. It's like a God's grace. Running at Bijli Mahadev was always in my dream, so it's like a dream come true. Boys on the trail just behind me. So it's time to run. You can give a little bit of push. It's beautiful coming out for a run before starting your day is something I always want to. So this Kullu has a different hit on my mind, and the mountains in the Kullu, they are quite different from the mountains I am having in my hometown. So it's a little bit of different kind of landscape, weather and terrain. So it's quite breathtaking, but I have to keep going. So yay, that's Kullu on the down. I have this kind of trail, just the trail. You can run. You have beautiful arrows that will just lead you in the right direction. My boys are just behind there. The Kohli and his coach, Ankush Kutuch. I find some people, they are taking some God stuff, God की पूजा की चीज़ें. नमस्कार जी. नमस्कार नमस्कार. ये मंदिर को ले जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
अच्छा. So they are taking something to God's place, I guess, but I don't know them, so it's okay. I have to just keep on pushing. Beautiful terrain. This trail is so good to run. There is not straight sunlight. Sometimes downhill, uphill, straight. So you can see I'm sweating and the skin starts shining. So it's the natural way of shining your skin. No cream, no applicants, nothing, no sunscreen, nothing. Just you, your skin, and the run and the sunlight. That's it. So that's how it works. If you want a glowing skin, shiny you have to run, buddy. There is no alternative. So I'm in the middle of the trail now. I guess it's halfway done. So I'll push to run. Those two guys, Ankush and Harry Kohli, they are way far from me now. They couldn't match my pace. So, but I guess I'm almost there. It's like half kilometer more, I guess. So let's give a last push. See, finally the meadows are there. Bijli Mahadev meadows. So I'm almost there, reaching Bijli Mahadev top. So it's one of my dreams in my bucket list. I always want to do a run in Bijli Mahadev. So this cute animal is just welcoming me. Hello. Say hello. You're not going to hit me, right? So give me a way. What should I do now? Should I change I don't want to disturb, right? So I will change my trail. I will go from this way. He's still looking at me. Some obstacles. ये हेलो बछड़ू, मैं तो ऊपर से आ गई, अब मुझे ऊपर देख रहा है. आजा मेरे साथ. So finally I am at the top. So happy. Let's run. Woo! Yay! I reached. I did it. I'm so happy. Fantastic. There is a small cafe. Ooh. Wow. Let me make it a little wider. It's beautiful. Seriously, it's beautiful. Wow, I cannot tell you how happy I am right now. It's beautiful. यार seriously, nothing can beat nature. कुदरत के आगे कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ, और दौड़ के आओ. Endorphins there at peak. You feel like the most drugged person on the planet Earth. So Yes, just want to. Wow, just look at the beauties. 8:30 a.m. early morning, but it's at quite high altitude, so the sun comes up early. So it's like that. That's why you can see so much of sunlight. That's how I'm looking. Red hot, ready to burn. Hey sun! Hello! Sun is up there on that side. So it's me. Whew. Whew. It's not easy. They are not in the screen even. I don't know where they left behind. So it needs a lot of stamina, a lot of like good heart muscles, so you can run uphill. So I will just take you up to the temple where it is. It is on just like, I guess, 300-400 meters more uphill. So I will just take you there right now. It's the gateway for heaven, Bijli Mahadev. It's windy and beautiful. So at this side it's Kasol, and on this side it's Kullu. So it's just a peak in the middle of two valleys. One is Kasol and one is Kullu Valley. So you can see a 360 view from this peak. People say कि यहाँ पे ना आसमान से बहुत तेज बिजलियाँ गिरती हैं पेड़ों पे, तो तब इसका नाम बिजली महादेव है. I don't know. Heaven, and I am the princess of this heaven. The princess, you can say the queen of Himalayas, beautiful Himalayas. Look at the back mountains. So he is my what I can say, queen ka sipahi. So my sipahi, and this is the beautiful queen of Kullu. Look at the Himalayas. पीछे देख यार, Himalayas. पीछे देख.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ देवदार है क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ. That's the Bijli Mahadev old temple, you can see. It's the traditional mountain temples. So there is a bell, you have to do it like this. So there is the Mahadev, you can see. The Mahadev, the god. बस ये नया मंदिर बनाया है इन्होंने पीछे, और ये पेड़ है. So let's go inside. यहाँ पे भी करते हैं, देखिए खड़ा ना ये लक्कड़, पर ये भी करते हैं कोट मंदिर में. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is the temple, Bijli Mahadev. We have to. So this is the Shivling. And here we go. Look at the meadows here, it's beautiful. So this is the edge of this meadow. जब हम लास्ट बार टाइम आए थे ना, हम इस साइड से आए हैं. देख अंकुश, इस साइड से. So that's Buntar down there. A bit blurry. This is Buntar. This is Buntar Airport. The runway. So finally we have done Bijli Mahadev running trail today. So here is Virat Kohli. I mean to say
Harry Kohli.
Harry Kohli or Ankush.
Hi.
So we had a great time and he totally looks like Virat Kohli. So there is like 90% of similarity and people were just shooting out like we want to just have a click with him. So it's also our pleasure we are having a time with him. So
High five. ऊपर से।
come to Jalori Pass now next time.
Next time.
Yay!